Homestead Pyros. Got Fat Ass Recording.
Yeah.
Alright, where we gonna start?
Alright, so this is our 2017 Firework Stash, lads. Show them around, buddy.
Okay, we got these Roman candles. 10 shot, right?
Yeah, 10 shot.
We got
Alien
6 of
brand.
those, 12.
Crackling
And
salutes.
we got this finale shit.
25 shots.
Whistling artillery shells, 12, right?
Yeah, 12 pack.
12 of them. Saturn missiles.
Yeah. A whole brick. 8016.
Shitload of fucking firecrackers.
Alien brand.
This assortment.
Hold up. Some Screaming Rockets by there's 144 pieces by Alien as well.
This assortment. What brand is this?
World Class Fireworks USA assortment comes with 2 mortar kits, a finale tube, a couple of cakes, some fountains, a couple some Saturn missiles, some other accessories up there.
Then we got Shouts of Vengeance by Alien, which is 24.
Yeah.
And then X-Cows and some fucking bootleg Mexican fireworks.
These are homemade fireworks from Mexico. All right.
The slight Mexican firework.
That's bullshit.
Oh shit!